Now that I've gone around and chopped everything all up, should bag up a lot more condensed. We'll see how far I get. Let's see how full we are. That's pretty good. Chute's open. Bags aren't completely full. And I've done half the yard. Plus I've done all the leaves that I pulled over from under the pine trees. So this is working out pretty well. Just go through and shred it all up. Then go through and bag it all up. I think I should be able to finish off the yard without having to dump the bags yet. No, I'm not going to take care of all the leaves. I'll take my mask off so you can understand me. I'm not going to try and pick up all the leaves because there's more coming down all the time. And I have other tasks to take care of. But this has made a big difference in the front yard already. So the things that I learned in the backyard about going around and mulching things up and then bagging it so that the stuff going into the bags is much more condensed, works pretty good. Now when I get that 53-foot bag, I'll be able to do the whole yard easily. Thing I'll have to do though, mulch it first and then bag it. Life is good if you learn lessons as you go. Best part of the whole thing, walking into the bank with a mask. Gotta love it. lower the always shut off the throttle before you shut off the engine. If you leave the throttle open and just shut the engine off and let it wind down, Bob Collins, if you shut off the engine and leave it just to wind down with the throttle open, Bob Collins told me that it causes a thing called cylinder wash. In other words, all the gasoline that's coming out of the carburetor is going on the walls of the cylinder and washing the oil off, and you're scouring out the walls of the cylinder. Makes your engine last a lot less. Scores the cylinder walls, makes your engine last a lot shorter. So shut the throttle off, let it get down to idle, then shut the engine off, and if you leave it in gear, you can just pop the clutch and stall the engine right there. It won't turn over but a couple of strokes after you shut the key off. With the leaves all chopped up fine like that, I was able to get the whole front yard into just the 2 bags, 1 pass. Didn't have to dump it again. All done. Probably could do the same thing in the backyard. We'll just have to see.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.